G'day, I'm at mile marker 0 on the Strzelecki track. The track had its origins in the late 1800s as a route through the interior that connected up the stations to support the pastoral industry. Originally trafficked by camel trains and bicycles, it played an important role in opening up the economy here through the initial period. Of course, over the years the track's use has changed, but it continues to play an important economic role, both for tourism as well as agriculture and the hydrocarbons and minerals sector. That's why now we're starting to upgrade the track, and we're here to have a look at how it's going. This is a massive project, building almost 500 kilometres of sealed road that goes through some incredibly remote country. And it brings with it some particular challenges, finding suitable resources to build road base, and of course water, which here we're drawing from the aquifer that runs underneath a creek bed.
And then there are the extremes of weather conditions. Right now it's dry, arid, hot. But this is the land of the flooding rains, and it can rain sometimes hundreds of kilometres away here and result on flooding and closure of the track. Working along the track with the team, they've been thinking hard about how to build an asset that will endure these weather conditions. And it's going to be quite a feat because we're crossing a lot of floodplains and creeks. Whilst good engineering standards and design work will form a part of the solution, we rely heavily on tacit knowledge. The team here have learnt through their hard-won experience how this track can behave and how weather can impact on it. We've had some setbacks already with big floods, but we've chosen to learn the lessons from that and rebuild the track to be able to withstand those extreme events. The team here bring personal qualities to delivery of this program that I see elsewhere in our department. A strength and a resilience that's born out of an accumulated knowledge and understanding of the particular area that they're working in and the assets that they look after, and a determination to ensure that we do the right thing in delivering solid, durable outcomes.